Yo, YouTube! Fancy seeing you again. Anyway, that's so bad. What a bad opening. We're back here on Pint of Stuff for another sneaker unboxing. As you can see, you might have even already seen one because you know the title, you've seen the title. But yeah, my name's Mr. B, if you haven't been around here before, and on this channel we tend to do sneaker unboxing, sneaker streaming, and these cinematic on foot things. We won't talk about all of that stuff. We're going to talk about freshness, as Nike says. So we're going to pull for some freshness about now. Yes, let's do it. Now SJ has got another version of these. She really struggled to get these out of the box, but what she doesn't know is that there's a secret trick. You turn the box upside down. You do, and then you flip it. Just like that. Just like that, SJ. We'll get rid of the paperwork. The dog's not down there. He's not, so we're all right there. So first of all, before we dive into the shoe, which you know what it is because it's got the title somewhere up there. If you read the title, you know what it is. But we have got a Nike React Element 87, not all the other things that SJ thinks they are. These are a men's 11.5, that makes them a UK 10.5, and the color is Dusty Peach, Atmosphere Grey, and they are AQ 1090 200 or 200. But you all know that, so let's have a look. You know, I'm just want to say, I'm a big fan of these Nike red boxes. I know they're so standard, but I really like them. Nothing special on the paper. Ooh, these are very me. That's all I'm going to say. First thing, very me. Oh my words. SJ today has unboxed the other colorway of these, which is the Moss. Is that what it is, SJ? Uh-huh. Moss. So we're gonna take the paper out of these because it does a disservice to the shoe, I think. While it holds a shape, everyone, it holds a shape, I don't think you kind of get the true translucentness. We have got another on this channel, another React Element 87. And I, like these, apart from all the skate shoes that I buy and the Jordans, these are so, I just never thought I'd like these as a shoe. But this is my second pair now. I've got the undercover pair and I'll link to the video of us unboxing them and up there somewhere, hopefully. And I'll also put the cinematic on foot, which we did for those, I think, up there as well. So you can have a look, because while the shoe is the same, the colorway is different. And yet again, I'm blown away. I'm blown away, SJ. So you can see the colors, everyone. These are, you know, peachy, purpley, green, brown. They're in that kind of range. You know, anyone who knows me knows I wear a lot of brown. Well, red colour. Look at this. I didn't go to USC, by the way, but I found this in a thrift shop. Amazing top. Love it. Let's just take a look, SJ. I'm going to hold it into the light here so that you can really see now the difference with you. You know, we're focused on blue on the back here on the suede. Got that yellow swoosh tick. Just going to spin that there. Going to put that back there. What I really like about the React Element is just the total number of materials that they use. You've got a lovely suede here, you've got 3M here, you've got 3M here, you've got suede down here, you've got an amazing, like this leather, no one talks about the leather down here. This leather feels super nice and soft. We've got this rubberized piece under here, which also has, it kind of has this green and yellow hashed. It looks like, I don't know if anybody used computer paper way back at school, but it looks a little bit like that. So if you have a look here, can you see this, SJ? Right, you might need to tap on it because it's that detailed. Not my face. No one wants to see this face. What have you done? Right, I've robbed the camera off SJ right now. So this is a bit of a random one. And I'm just going to tap there. Hopefully, it's a bit random, I know. Hopefully, you can start to see, hopefully, that's focusing just about right there. They're just the different materials. Right, SJ, I'm handing you the camera back. Take over. We can also see what SJ didn't do, and she'll have probably done in her on foot, is the thing with these React Element 87s is, yeah, there's a bit of a sole in there, like an inner sole, but really it's just to cover the foam. And so you've got like corkness there. Look at that swoosh. Beautiful, beautiful swoosh. We love the swoosh. But it's so thin, everyone. Like, just look at that camera too. Like, it is super, super thin. They don't expose the foam in here. So there's just foam in there. And so we're going to put this back in just so you can see just how easy, it just literally sits on the top, which is nuts. Now I'm going to put my hand in here. You can probably see my hand in there. Like, that's how see-through they are. Love, like this material, I didn't think, I'd be like, why would I want like this sort of translucenty, plasticky material on these shoes? I can tell you, it has upped my sock game like a trillion times. It forces you to really think about your socks, but also you can change the feeling of the shoes straight away just by putting different socks on. Absolutely spot on. Anyway, sorry, I got a bit excited about them there. a little bit excited about them. Because like, I never thought I'd like a shoe like this. I never did. These are like, my undercovers of these are some of my most prized shoes that I have. And when I really need to feel super striking, because sometimes you do, you know, or I do, certainly for the job that I do, I put them on and I'm like, okay, yeah, people are gonna look. They are gonna look at my shoes and they're gonna think, okay, he's slightly old maybe, but at least the shoes are interesting. They might not like them, but at least they're interesting. Anyway, don't know where I'm going with that. I can also tell you the sole, which doesn't really show so much there, this foam sole. It's actually sort of tilted like this, ever so slightly. And so when you do first step into them and you haven't worn them before, it will feel like you're sort of tilted. It's surprising how quickly you actually get used to that. You really do get used to it. Once you've worn them like all day, and I've worn them all day a couple of times, not this particular pair, the undercover pair, it feels like I'm wearing slippers. It does. I don't want to take them off because I'm like, squish, squish, squish. Back to this colorway. SJ, thoughts? Do you like these?
Uh-huh.
Big fan?
Uh-huh.
Looking forward to do a cinematic on foot with me?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Are we going to kill this?
Yep.
Awesome. So everyone, just want to say that's it for this shoe. Look out for the cinematic on foot because I think it's going to be a bit of a special one. I hope. I don't know. We haven't filmed it yet. I hope it is. I've got a vision in my head, I think. Look out for that. We'll hopefully do that. Film that today, I hope. I hope everyone. I just want to say a massive thank you to you all, as always, for watching these videos and for commenting and for liking and doing all that stuff. Just want to say also to the Sneaker Streaming Sunday crew, I'll see you this Sunday or next Sunday, any Sunday. And yeah, if you don't know what I'm talking about, come and find the channel on Sunday, about 8 PM UK time, 12 PM Pacific, that's 3 PM on the East Coast. Anyway, everyone, just want to say thank you. Have a great time, whatever you're doing. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye. Huxley, are you a fan of the React Element 87? Yes? Yes? Are you getting the Huxley seal of approval? They are. Of course, everyone, as I always say now, and I keep forgetting to tell you, don't forget, if you could do me a favour, there's some videos here, I think. I think one's been recommended by the Big G YouTube, so go and watch that one. Hopefully it's one of mine. I think it is, it should be. And the other one is one that I've selected. I'll probably select the on foot of the undercovers for these, so you can go and have a look at that, because absolutely banging shoe. Anyway, folks, I'll see you later. Bye. Boom. Boom. Boom.